Now, let's talk about boosting immunity with our organic greens products that provides your body 3 fundamental nutrients for optimal immune health, and that's antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and probiotics. So first, let's start with acai berry. Acai berry is one of the most evidence-based, clinically effective antioxidants that you can incorporate into your diet. So how does acai berry work in regards to inflammation? Acai berry, what it does is it blocks or shuts off the pathways that are associated with chronic inflammation. Think of chronic inflammation as when you're turning a light on in the house. Well, what happens when you leave that light on for too long? Your energy bill goes up and the light stays on. Well, chronic inflammation is no different. So there's an inflammatory pathway called the TNF-alpha pathway. When that switch is turned on, chronic inflammation is turned on. So what acai berry does is it helps to block that pathway, or helps to shut off the switch, which leads to chronic inflammation. Now, let's talk about the probiotics in our organic super greens. Our organic super greens is formulated with Lactobacillus acidophilus. Now, not only will this probiotic help to boost gut health, but can actually potentially boost positive mood. You see, there's a correlation between low levels of gut bacteria and negative mood. So how is that possible? Well, you see, our reward neurotransmitter dopamine, the way for that to be produced is it has to be produced by something called serotonin. And serotonin can only be produced in your digestive tract. So in essence, when you have low levels of gut bacteria, you will have lower amounts of positive mood and potentially increased prevalence of depression. Now, let's talk about the omega-3 fatty acids that are naturally occurring in our organic super greens product, and that is through organic flaxseed. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to not only boost brain health and combat inflammation, but research shows that when you're deficient in omega-3 fatty acids, it can actually slow down the rate at which your nerve cells grow by about up to 30%. So welcome to Paradise Power's Performance. Hurry up, click below, and subscribe. You have nothing to lose except pounds of body fat and living that beautiful lifestyle where you don't have to have any digestive issues and you can truly alkalinize, detox, and boost your immune system.